So you've hit your weight loss goal and now you want to know how to maintain it. There are going to be 5 key areas that I want you to consider. This is part 1, target weight ranges, and make sure you drop me a follow so that you don't miss the other parts. So once you've hit your goal weight, you're going to want to stay there, well, around there. We're going to come up with a range. Now when you've been in a deficit, your body's going to have used up some of its stored energy that it has in the form of glycogen. So when you come out of a deficit, initial spike in the scales. So the first thing to look out for is just to see that little increase that's typical of about 1 to 2 kilograms, or a couple of pounds. Once you're eating your maintenance calories regularly, what we want to do is wait for that number to settle, but once we have got into a pattern and the trend is roughly straight, we can then start to understand your range. Once we've got that straight line trend, that's when we can now start thinking about your range. Regular check-ins with yourself is a habit of long-term weight loss maintainers. So regularly weighing in to understand where your weight sits is going to be really helpful, and as long as it falls in the range, which I'm going to talk through in a second, you're in a good spot. And I want to caveat this with the fact that your range may change over time. I have significantly more muscle than what I did at my lowest weight. I'm happier to be slightly heavier because I know more of it is muscle mass. So if I had an identical range to what I did 6 years ago, that wouldn't really make sense. So just remember this range can be dynamic. Now typically I use a range of about 4 kg. So my lowest weight was 60 kg, so as long as I'm within a range of 62 kg to 66 kg, I'm fine. This may seem like a lot, but I lost 27% of my body weight. So as long as I can keep it under that 20% mark, I'm pretty happy.